It's a good thing that I'm walking uphill a little bit right now because I need to burn off some fat after at Francesinha. Good morning, Jaycationers. Today's vlog is a travel vlog, and it's a long one, but it's a fun one, so let's hit the road. Looking like a nice sunny morning here in Barcelona. Not too cold. We're headed over somewhere where it's raining, so we'll see how it is over there. There's a women's strike all over Spain today, and it's affecting services, so like 50% less service for Aerobus today.
A few minutes later.
Made it on my flight. Good thing I paid €6 for that priority. Talking about cutting it close. That was cutting it close.
Reposabrazos bajados y persianas de las ventanillas.
Made it to Porto, rainy and sprinkly, headed to the city. So we're not staying in Porto, we're only here for just under 4 hours. We're going north to south, cross-country Portugal today. Yeah, we'll be in Lisbon real quick after this. We'll talk more once I settle down. So that was a pretty hectic morning. Almost missed the flight, but made it with some time to spare. Good thing I had priority, but with that women's protest going on in all of Spain today, it slowed down a lot of services, and luckily when I got to the airport, security wasn't very long and I just ran through the gate. Made it. Totally remember last year when me and Mari were here. It was about the same time of year, and it was during the Champions League PSG Barca game where Barca came back and won.
Flashback.
We have finally made it here to Porto. Barca just won.
End of flashback.
And I remember I was just updating my phone and they scored like 3 goals in the last few minutes and won the whole match. So, great memories here. So for $7.50 I got a 24-hour trip ticket. It's like $2.60 for one way, but I'm gonna be using it. I'm only here for less than 4 hours. Off to the city of Porto. So right off the bat, I've already effed myself. Walked up the stairs, the metro was right there. Didn't get in, and now I gotta wait another 19 minutes for the next metro. When time's a wasting, it's not good. So yeah, what can you do? Take your losses, but at least we're here in Portugal now. I think I vlogged on this escalator last year. That was about 16 stops. We are here at the Porto metro station with Mari. That was the most interesting metro ride ever. Barca scored 3 goals in the last 10 minutes. We're headed to a very special place. It's called Starbucks. One of the reasons why I wanted to come to Porto and fly into Porto. Well, first of all, it was such a last minute thing. I booked this thing on Monday. But the reason I wanted to come here is because they have the Yeah mugs here now, and last year they didn't have them yet. So hopefully they have them at this new Starbucks. So last year me and Mighty stayed about 3 blocks away from here. This Starbucks wasn't here yet. Let's go and check it out. Alright guys, so excited about this. Now that they released the Yeah mugs here in Portugal, they have Lisbon and Porto. They didn't have it last year, unfortunately. So check that out. So they got the Douro River, the famous bridge, the wine cellars, nice churches, the tiled churches. I really like the color scheme of this. My favorite mug. We don't have enough time for like a travel guide today because we got to get on a train in about 3 hours. So instead I'm gonna do a little food guide. I'm gonna eat more than I should, but what can you do? Gotta make it for the vlog, right? Mission accomplished. If you're coming from Barcelona, either on a trip or you're living there, flights on Ryanair from Barcelona to Porto are only $12.99, as cheap as $12.99 on certain parts of the week. Now mine was taken care of, fortunately. $12.99, an extra €6 and you get priority. You can't beat it. You're here in 2 hours. They're an hour behind Barcelona. We're headed to grab some food, some famous Francesinha at a place that I haven't gone to yet. Amarino. Me and Pops grabbed some ice cream there last year. Yeah, boy. It's a lot cooler than it was though last year. It was actually a warm day last time we were here. We are here in Majestic Cafe, Porto's most popular cafe to visit. I got the nata, and I got a very popular drink here called the bonbon. It has condensed milk, espresso shot, and whipped cream up top. A little on the expensive side, but it's nice. Definitely got to come in here and check it out. It's very beautiful. Nice ambiance, nice place to have a coffee in the morning. Trying out the bonbon. Super sweet drink. So for those of y'all that love sweet drinks, check this out, the bonbon coffee in Majestic Cafe. Now we're trying the famous nata. We've had this before. We've actually gotten the Bilem. So good. It's like a mix between a creme brulee and like a crispy croissant. So good. Definitely needed that coffee. We're headed to the next place. That was breakfast at Majestic Cafe. It's a little more pricey. Nice fancy breakfast experience. Let's go there. It's really nice. Gonna head over and get some Francesinha now. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
One picture. Oh,
YouTube.
It's fine.
YouTube. We're here at Cafe Santiago trying the Francesinha Santiago with a super bock. A little crowded, but you can understand why. Check it out. So I couldn't talk much inside there, it was too crowded, but that's Cafe Santiago. They had the best Francesinha. It's only the second one I've had, but it's pretty good. $9.50, you can't beat that. $1.50 for the super bock. I was gonna try to eat this pork sandwich after this. It's only like $3.50 and it's only up the street. But dude, I can't handle it. I couldn't even finish the Francesinha, guys. That's why I need Madi on these trips, because you know, he could finish all that stuff with me. Madi liked it. I'm a fatty, dude. Anyways, if I don't finish this vlog, it's because I've had a heart attack or something. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. I might get that pork sandwich to go. I gotta get on the train in about an hour and a half. The rain let up for now, so we're good. Guys, if you're looking for more tips, me and Madi were here last year and we did a extensive travel vlog. Went to all the Porto wine cellars, ate at this place, which is around the corner from where I just came from, at Cafe Santiago. Madi's having a super bock and a caldo verde. We did a little more stuff here. We were only here for like a day or two, but it was still worth it. It was still enough time to see a lot of stuff. Haven't made it over to the beach yet though.
Seu pedido número 9.
that pork sandwich is only $4.20. I got cheese on it, so it was like 70 cents more, but you can get it for $3.50 without the cheese. Got it to go. It's in my backpack. It's nice and warm. I bet it's really good, but my body, I can't eat right now, guys. Can't eat. About an hour until my train leaves for Lisbon, so we're headed to the train station. Let's go. It's a good thing that I'm walking uphill a little bit right now because I need to burn off some fat after at Francesinha. When you're at a small train station like this Campania station in Porto, make sure you look to check the train screens, which is usually by the ticket office, because you don't want to just be like around and then the train comes and you're like totally off and you're like, you have to go find your way to the track. So found it.
Later.
So we're here in my room and I finally unpacked this from Casa Guedes. It's that pork sandwich with cheese. It's pretty pungent. You gotta try it. I paid $4 for it, so. Oh my god. Oh, this is good. Wow. This is like really pungent cheese, but I love that stuff. I forgot to sign off. These next few vlogs in Portugal, I did a really bad job signing off, so you'll see me talking after I'm done editing these videos. But anyways, Porto was great. The Francesinha in Cafe Santiago was phenomenal. Alright guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and most importantly, please hit that notifications button so that you can get up-to-date videos when I post them, and YouTube won't like lose them in the algorithm somewhere. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoy these next few Portugal videos. And yeah, later.